All right, hello everyone. Okay, Andy you here and Caleb Gan. Hey, hi.
Hi, Caleb here. Hi, everyone. So, what about Singapore markets? There are some stock is crashing down, Andy. Wow. Okay. So we were talking about Singapore market for many sessions. Okay. Now recently we realized that some of the stock is crashing now. What is happening right now in the Singapore market, Andy?
Okay. Let me see. Is there really crashing down? What are some of the stock that is crashing down? Okay,
What I
so
can think of is a Citrium.
Citrium
Wow.
is going down.
Citrium crashing down a
Oh
lot.
my
Oh
God.
my God.
So let's take a look. Let's take a look.
There are
Okay, by the
few
way,
stocks.
yeah,
Yeah.
before we go on, right, please help us to like and subscribe to this channel. Every week we try to update you on Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Let us know in the comment what do you want to hear, and we will update you accordingly. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so over here, right, what happened to Citrium?
Now you see Citrium. We take a look at the chart first. Oh my God. Gap down and continue to go down. All right. I mean, it's very difficult to avoid this kind of what we call that gap down, right?
Yeah,
Who is going to know the price will get down? Oh, sudden.
oh,
Yeah.
sudden. So okay, so beside so by the way, for Citrium, this kind of scenario, like when market suddenly this stock suddenly drop, right? Does it show us that is it a red flag, or is it like time to cut loss, or like should we buy? Should we
Wow.
like get in at to get? Okay, what is your opinion on this kind of scenario? Because I think a lot of people they will ask this kind of question.
Usually I won't buy when the price is still selling down.
Uh huh.
Okay. So you can see that first, second, third day still selling down. All right. So fourth day, I think I will wait for a pivot point or maybe when to wait for the price to stabilize lah. All right. So we based on the previous chart pattern, right? Citrium obviously, they have a similar pattern. You see, gap down, okay, pivot point, and then rebound. All right. I think this is a normal case for Citrium.
Okay. Yeah, I think sometimes right the characteristic of the stock very important. Okay, so, sometimes like maybe the stock itself it behave like this a volatile stock.
I
Okay.
think the investor, I mean the big boy, the
Uh,
player
uh,
of this stock, must be
wow,
something who are very aggressive person.
aggressive person. Okay, those people who
Are we
trade.
talking about you?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so anyway, okay, later on by the end of this video, right, we're going to talk about like how is the general market. Okay, not just one stock, but as a general market, what other stock is actually falling, and at the same time, usually we will be careful lah, because if too many stock is going down, what does it show?
Yeah, I think maybe Singapore market is going to have corrections, but of course, okay, I think most of you know that the STI index, the biggest component is still the bank. So if the bank didn't drop, right, okay, then obviously the STI index will still holding up, but there are some stock is already pulling back. Another stocks, okay, my favorites are ST Engineering is pulling back.
Wow, pull back also. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we can see, yeah, it was uptrend, all right, and then where was that? August was corrections, and then recently, okay, also pullback as well. So what does that mean? That means profit taking is happening for this type of stock that already went up a lot. Okay, I think it's normal. Okay, when the price went up a lot, then profit takings will occur. All
Okay,
right.
but maybe $8 here like look like a support level. This one, previous resistance. Could be a support level.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, but anyway, but what happened here is this there is a what we call a double top.
Yeah.
Double top. That means this is a $8 $8 90 over cent, right? This is a resistance level.
Well,
Okay.
your system quite true. You see, the orange color appear, then
Orange
the
color
price
appear.
start to drop already.
Yeah, start to drop already. And over here you can see the smart money also going down. Okay. The smart money also like getting lesser and lesser. So okay, so of course, one of the way that we find this kind of stock, right, is we can look at stage three. Okay, so like what are the stock that is falling? Okay, so at this, for people who stay on right now, we show them lah, like what are the some of the stock. But remember, before we continue to show you what are the stock that is falling, you need to be a bit careful. Okay, before we show them, please help us to like okay, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so my channel is this NDU channel, and Caleb. Okay, remember Caleb channel is a
Caleb Gun CL channel.
Caleb Gun. All right, so okay, so let's go and screen through what are the things that is falling. Okay, so first of all, Singtel also show some weakness. Okay, show some weakness, but generally still uptrend. Still uptrend. Okay, still uptrend. And
okay, wait a minute.
Yes.
Now, if you look at some of the stock already pulling back, lah. Okay, and then Singtel doesn't really pull back yet. Do you think, as an investor, you worry that Singtel will be, sell down as well? You take some profit first. What do you think?
I think yes. Okay, but then no, like now the thing is like not the best time to take some profit also, like, because recently some people probably just bought the dip. Bought the dip. So if you just buy the dip, then not much profit, leh. Not much profit. So another way is you can, if you are more like a trading or what, you can set stop loss. If you know profit lah, but if you got profit, you buy from the low, then now, if you enough already this year 2025 coming to the late of 2025, okay, can also scale out of the position and no need to be super aggressive lah. Yeah. Okay, so what other stocks? We go through the stock, okay? Yeah. So Genting also turned down. Citrium, JHM. Yeah, JHM, this stock, one of the best performer of the
so far
blue chip, $60 also turned red. Hong Kong Land, what do you see?
Wow, pulling back also, you see.
Hong Kong Land also pull back,
Yeah.
So this is the trend line, right?
Correct.
So kind of like break the trend line, and the drop kind of like accelerate. Yeah. So more or less, I think need to be a bit careful also.
Yeah.
And this Yangtze Finance supposed to be very strong, right?
Also pull back.
Also pull back.
So what is the signal actually for STI?
Okay, so for now, as we see, a lot of the stocks actually pull back.
Yeah.
And you can see the next one is Keppel REIT, right? So Keppel REIT actually bounced up. Wait,
Okay.
how come like that? Maybe the fund rotate. Maybe the funds rotate to the REITs sector. So you see the REITs, actually move up. And this kind also need to take note. Okay, if they break the support, because they went up so much already. So if you break the support, then I'm not sure what will happen lah. Okay, maybe sharp drop, then rebound. In the long run, people say the 5 billion coming in, 5 billion coming in, maybe
time to take some rest. Already went up quite a lot, Andy. Don't be greedy, okay?
Not straight line.
Yeah, not straight line lah. Cooling period, okay? Cooling period. It's a holiday season,
Holiday season.
Go for, take some profit, go for holiday.
Fund manager go for holiday.
They probably make some good money.
Yeah. Okay, Food Empire, you see, wow, this one also previously, this is the champion, right? One of the champion, right? Now also out of the range already.
Yes.
Out of the range,
Quite a number of stock already pulled back.
Quite a number of stocks
Just
already
be careful,
pulled back. Yeah. So of course here you still see some support level, potential to bounce, but that's why you need to subscribe to this channel lah. That's why we will update next time if we bounce, turn back to blue color. Blue color is the uptrend. Red color, already a bit of the downtrend. And of course there are other good stock. You look at this ESR REITs, wow, is this a nice looking chart?
Yeah, uptrend recently pull back a little bit. I think they give us opportunity to, there's a setup, I think.
There's a setup.
Yeah, but what is the red color arrow is there?
Okay, because it's sideways for too long,
okay,
so it turns red. But if it's good, then it will turn back to blue.
I see. All right.
But if you look at the super trend here, it's at the support level.
Okay.
So for this week video, how you want to put this one can put in the list or not?
I think can.
Can. Okay. So by the end of this video, right, we will share with you about 4 to 5 stock. So maybe this ESR we put in the list first. Okay. Yeah, that's why we keep everybody continue to watch our video. Wow, Yen Lot also out of the range.
Out of the range.
Out of the uptrend.
Yeah.
Wow, the sun like okay, seems like one thing happened. The growth company or the fast moving stock start to rest, and the REITs start to move up.
Yeah.
Wow, you look at nano film. Oh, you okay? So if you turn red color, you never get out, and then it continue to drop. Sometimes can be a bit scary. Okay, so the system here, you can see, how it drop. So okay, so for us, okay, basically this video, right, is just for awareness lah. Okay, it's for awareness what is happening in the market. Okay, so if it's if we break above the uptrend, it go uptrend. If we break above the downtrend line, sometimes it just work like that. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yes. Okay, so by the way, okay, what we draw the trend line in this one, okay, it's called price action. Okay, so Caleb, you got teach the price action, right?
Yeah, I do actually. Yeah. So price action is also a technical analysis, right? But however, I think price action is more effective lah. Reason is because that you look at the price and then you react based on the price. Usually, we don't react based on emotion, right? So we react based on the stock chart and then use the what we call that rules based, yeah, strategy. So that's what I have been doing.
So how to join this class?
Click the link below.
Click the
Okay.
link below. Okay,
Click the link
I think
below.
you got Telegram. This Telegram.
Telegram us. All right, Caleb Gunn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll put the link below.
Yeah, we'll put the
Telegram,
link below.
okay, in the description or in the comment.
Yeah.
In the comment or description there.
Right.
Okay. So yes. Okay.
So should we take a look the good one?
Okay. So I just quickly run through the one that is turning red. So
Okay.
everybody
I see.
like Samudara, all this turn red already, turn down already. Is and that's about all.
I think
Okay.
the other one is a Centurion.
Centurion.
Yeah.
Wow, Centurion. I think long time, quite a while already.
Quite a while already.
Yeah, quite a while already. She turned red and then wow, all the way down.
Whatever go up, it will eventually come down as well.
Yeah.
Just be careful.
Yeah, just be careful. Okay, so what are the strong one? Okay, what stock is still strong? Okay, maybe we look at those with smart money.
Sure.
Look at the stock with smart money.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Wow.
okay,
Gold.
so wow, gold
You buy gold.
Huh? Wow, gold can or
Gold.
Huh?
Too high for me.
Okay, this one we skip Okay, so let's
Okay, maybe you give your view about the gold. Yeah, I
okay,
think
gold this one not easy to get in, but it is really the strongest, one of the strongest.
yeah.
But
That's
not
a
easy,
fact, yeah.
not easy to
I
get
mean,
in.
right now it's a bit difficult to enter because it already went up. All right. So if you have strategy during that time it was sideways, right? So if the price break through, then if you could enter earlier, that would be better lah. So right now it's everything is so high.
Yeah. Okay, yes. So stocks like CNMC also gold related, right? So gold sector is strong, but not How about glove? What do you think?
Wow. Okay, if you look at the chart, okay, I mean, I'm not sure about the industry, all right, but if you look at the chart, I mean, it break out from the downtrend line, okay, and the price recover, okay, but a bit volatile, okay, a bit volatile, all right.
So
I mean, yeah, hitting the resistance as well,
hitting resistance now.
yeah. So
Maybe
maybe pull back, you can take a look. Maybe you can put in the in the watch list.
Okay, so let's see Okay, so I notice net link defensive. Okay, seems like the fund manager this time round they take a break already. They move into something slow and steady. So venture also slow and steady. Okay, so I think how about venture can put into this week watch list or not?
I think so because quite strong as compared to other stocks.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, as long as the trend is still intact, yeah, we'll put the stock in the watch list.
Okay. So for people who have like those stock that is falling they suffering Okay. So if they have some stock is falling, then they suffering like losing money how then.
Okay, everyone is different. Okay, for me, right? Okay, if you cannot sleep while investing, make sure you exit the positions or reduce the positions. I mean, try not to affect your daily life, okay? Because every day you have a daily job as well. So if you can't sleep, okay, you are so stressful, make sure you reduce some of the positions, okay, or exit the position, or maybe you can switch the stocks. For us, right, we are professional traders. We know how to switch a stock, do some magic, Andy. All right. So for retail investor, a bit tough now. okay, if you do not know how to do some adjustment. So the only way what you can do is that you exit the position or reduce the positions.
Yep. Okay. So usually what we do is, we reduce lah. Reduce, when you reduce, you're not so like 100% out or what lah. So it feels easier. Okay, easier. Okay, so just now we have two stock already lah. Okay. By the way, those people who still remember what stock is it, write in the comment. Okay, so that some people won't have to, like they miss out. Okay, so write down in the comment what stock we're talking. The strong one. Okay, so every week we have this video. So remember to like and subscribe this channel. Okay, so let's go on. Let's go on.
Energy. Take a look. Joe Energy.
Okay, Joe Energy. Okay, Joe Energy. Okay. Wow, Joe Energy. Wow, quite strong.
Right?
Yes. I think commodities and energy. Maybe. Okay.
Yeah, because of Donald Trump. So that's why commodities and energy also perform.
Yeah. Okay, let's move on. You choose a few one. I go down. I screen down. You ask me to stop. If you see good one.
Yeah. Member 3 also not bad, right?
Member 3 is not bad.
I think generally when the interest rate is cut, right? You should focus some of the REIT stocks.
Got some set up.
Got some setup. Wow, he also learned how to do setup already.
Yes. What about this one?
Kaplan also got setup.
Wow, also got setup. Okay.
Correct.
Can put in the more switch.
Can.
Then like that enough already. Or still continue.
Capital REITs. Yeah, I think see some more.
Wow.
This one already went up.
Wow, but quite nice.
Quite nice. Okay.
Quite nice.
Yeah. Okay, so what does that mean? If you look at the growth stock that just now we was looking at, right? Most of the growth stock already pull back. So where the money is actually rotating to?
Real estate.
Real estate, right? REITs, yeah. So what we have been sharing with your guys all right? REITs is performing, okay? Just started only. Do you realize that?
Yeah, just started only, yeah. This one, the ETF, REITs ETF.
Also not bad.
Also not bad.
Yeah, I mean, if you have difficulty to choose the individual's REITs, right? I mean, the simple one is the ETF, all right?
Oh, what about this one?
This one too high already.
This
I
one
scared of.
You're so scared. Okay.
Eject also pull back. Yeah. UL. Lendlease. Yeah, REITs. Yeah, I mean, quite obvious, right? The money is actually rotating into REITs, Singapore REITs. Yeah.
That's a good
information.
That's
a good information. Yeah. So just be careful. I mean, if you are still holding on to the growth stocks, small cap and mid cap, be careful. All right. The money, obviously, based on our what we call that observations, the money is actually rotating to REITs.
REIT sector.
REIT sector. Yeah. Right. So how many stocks you have been giving already, Andy?
I think 4 or 5. 4 or 5. Maybe one more.
One more.
Okay. So basically, Lendlease is nice. Kaplan Integrated Commercial Trust is nice as well.
It's nice as well.
Yeah, and then if I do another view, right? Okay, that means I choose the strongest REITs. Okay, since we are talking about REITs, right? Might as well we choose the strongest one. Okay, so how do I choose the strongest one? I will do another ranking. So I will rank like maybe 6 months, past 6 months. Then from here, I see where is the first REITs, like the first one that appear. So which one is the first REITs or property stock that appear?
Wow, okay. Let me see. Procknex. Pull back also. I mean, just be careful for those that already went out a lot, I think.
Yeah. Construction. Okay, let's find the REITs one. Okay, Gokuland. Okay, so for property wise, I think Gokuland is one of the property. City development is also, wow, what do you think?
Not bad. Yeah.
Not bad, huh?
Not bad.
Okay, city development is not bad. Gokuland is not bad. So these are property. Okay, property.
Actually, property sector doing quite well.
Yeah, property sector is not bad. Yes, property sector is not bad. And the fastest one, I think, Lendlease is actually first one that come out. So Lendlease is actually one of the fastest over the past 6 months. It's
60 cents. Okay.
Yeah.
63 cent.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, not
So
bad.
for those stable one, maybe okay. Let's see the next one. Which one come out? Wow, this one 30 over cent only. Yeah, UOE.
Yeah, there are
Okay.
many actually popping up from our screener,
Yes.
the REITs sector stocks.
Okay. So more or less, I think, yeah,
More or less are quite clear, huh?
more or less quite clear.
Quite clear.
Yeah.
I mean, the REITs is coming back.
Yes, the risk is coming back. All right. Okay. So just now, right, we actually mentioned a few before we move on lah. Okay. So have you got the right stocks? Have you got the REITs? Okay. So the conclusion here is growth. Those growth, fast-growing stocks actually start to pull back. Be careful on that. And on the REIT side, seems like it's building up, it's setting up, and yeah, seems like the market or the fund manager like want to go holiday, they move into those slow and steady. And the two property stock, what is the two property stock? Just not remember.
City development,
Yes.
Coco Land.
Yeah, city development and Goku Land, these are the
Trying to
faster.
test me.
Yeah. Okay. So yes. Okay. So do help us. Okay. If you, by the way, if you want to contact us, okay, you join us in our upcoming event. Okay, we have a link below. Join the Telegram. We will update you on the upcoming event on Singapore stocks. Okay. So do write a comment if you find this video helpful, and really appreciate all your comment and like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.